Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup, this look, using only Indian makeup brands, and I'm so excited to share this look with you all. So I'm using brands like Nykaa, Pack Cosmetics, Miss Claire, Sugar Cosmetics, etc. And I have this amazing announcement to make. So Sugar Cosmetics is having some amazing deals on their website, and if you shop from Sugar Cosmetics via cashkaro.com, then you can achieve a cashback of 250 rupees on every order above rupees 300. So if you order a product worth rupees 300, you're getting the product for rupees 50 only, because you're gonna get a cashback of 250 rupees in your Cashkaro wallet. Make sure you stay with me throughout the video to know how exactly to shop via cashkaro.com and avail this cashback of 250 rupees. So yeah, without any further ado, let me quickly show you the tutorial of this beautiful makeup look using only Indian makeup products. So to moisturize my skin, I'm using Mamaearth Aloe Turmeric Gel. For foundation, I'm using Pack Cosmetics HD Foundation. I'm gonna blend that using the sponge by Pack Cosmetics. To conceal my dark circles, I'm using Pack Cosmetics Spotlight Concealer. To set my base makeup in place, I'm using Nykaa Skin Genius Compact Powder. Now I know I'm looking like a Chinese doll right now, but don't worry, I'm gonna bring back all of the color to my face, and for that I'm gonna use a blush, bronzer and highlighter, and these are all by Sugar Cosmetics. So before I begin with showing you all of these products, let me just mention that Sugar Cosmetics is running a huge sale right now on their website, and if you shop from Sugar Cosmetics via cashkaro.com, then you can achieve amazing cashbacks. So cashkaro.com has this deal going on right now, wherein if you shop for Sugar Cosmetics products worth rupees 300 and above, then you can get a cashback of rupees 250, and on top of that, if you use the link mentioned in the bottom bar, that is my link to sign up, then you can get an additional 25 rupees cashback. So don't forget to grab this amazing offer, and let me quickly take you through how you're supposed to shop from Sugar Cosmetics via Cashkaro to avail the cashback. Firstly, click the link in the bottom bar and you will be taken to Cashkaro's website, wherein you can enter your details and sign up on Cashkaro, and then click on the search bar and search for Sugar Cosmetics. Once that is done, click on the orange button, that is flat 250 rupees cashback. Next, click on visit retailer and you will be directed to Sugar Cosmetics website, wherein you can shop for all the makeup that you want. Here I'm shopping for Sugar Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal, which retails for 399. And once the order is placed and the payment is done, just check your My Earnings tab on Cashkaro, and your cashback of rupees 250 will be pending over there, and it will be confirmed soon if you don't cancel or return your order. You can then purchase an Amazon gift card with that 250 rupees cashback, or you can directly transfer it to your bank account. Just remember that your cashback threshold has to reach 250 rupees for you to withdraw it. Cashkaro is offering cashback on so many different websites, including Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio and so many more websites. So I'm gonna use the Sugar Cosmetics Woody Wonder Bronzer now, and I'm just slightly contouring my cheeks. For blush, I'm using this one from Sugar again in the shade Pink Pinnacle. For highlighter, I'm using this beautiful highlighter, which is one of my favorite highlighters, again by Sugar Cosmetics. This is in the shade Champion Champion. For eyebrows, I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil by Miss Claire, and I'm going to do them off camera and see you in a bit. For my eyes, I'm first going to set them using this Nykaa compact powder. And then I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade Disturbia. And those are all of the colors. And trust me, this is a must buy palette. They have so many different colors and the pigmentation is like damn good. So this is one product that I recommend you buy via Cash Karo and receive a cashback of $250 on this palette. So before I actually use this palette, I'm just gonna use the blush and I'm gonna put that into my transition area. You can actually create an entire eyeshadow look using just the blush, bronzer and highlighter. They are that pigmented. But I'm going to use the palette for now. So I'm going to pick up that color first and apply it into my crease. I'm blending the transition and crease color together. Now I'm going to use the same concealer to cut the crease. Next, I'm using the dark purple color and applying it to the outer corners of my lid. Next, I'm using that purple shimmer shade using my finger and applying it to the center of my lid. And then I'm blending the matte purple and the shimmer purple together. Next, I'm using the blush again to add some pink color and to blend the purple shimmer. So I'm done after applying my lashes and I used PAC Pro Lashes 04. Now to balance my bottom lash line, I'm going to use the same purple color. I'm using the same Sugar Cosmetics highlighter to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and also my brow bone. And now to finish off the look, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Wine and Shine. So yeah, that's the final makeup look. If you don't want to go so bold with your lips, you can also use another subtle color. This is again by Sugar Cosmetics from their Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick collection in the shade 04 Plum Yum. It's a very beautiful subtle pink color. So with that, I come to an end of today's video, and this was my final makeup look using only Indian makeup products. I'm so proud of myself today. I'm so proud of Indian makeup brands. I think Indian makeup brands have come a really long way. Brands like Nykaa, PAC Cosmetics, Plum, Sugar are amazing brands, and the fact that Cash Karo is offering a 250 rupees cashback on Sugar Cosmetics products is like a cherry on top of the cake. So I highly recommend you check out this offer and grab it as soon as possible. And a hack that I'm gonna teach you right here is that you can shop for just one product at a time. Make sure that the product is worth 300 rupees or above and place the order and avail the cashback of 250 rupees on that order. Then place another order of another product which again exceeds 300 or above, and you can get another cashback of 250 rupees. And then you can place the third order the exact same way. One person having one Cash Karo account can place 3 orders like this in total. So you can avail like 3 makeup products and get a cashback of 750 rupees if you purchase 3 products. So yes, that is my little hack that you can use. And also, if you are new to Kashkaro, if you haven't signed up on Kashkaro yet, you can use my link to sign up and get a cashback of 25 rupees additional. So Kashkaro is actually paying you to shop online, which is like the best part. So I highly recommend you check out this deal. All of the links will be mentioned in the bottom bar, and also the app to download Kashkaro will be mentioned there. So do check that out. And yeah, that's my video for today. If you found it helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. I upload a lot of IGTV videos, so don't forget to follow me there. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.